Hello, welcome back to my sewing room. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a man's button-up shirt into a huggable memory pillow. And stay tuned till the end because I'll show you some neat ideas of what to put in the pocket that will make a wonderful treasured memory. So let's get started. Okay, to get started, you'll take your button-up shirt and you want to make sure it's buttoned all the way and lay it nice and flat and smooth. Make sure the back part of the shirt is smooth all the way through. I can't lay mine all the way flat because my tripod is in the way, but I want to make sure you can see it, so I have to push it up this way. I always use a 12 by 16 inch pillow form. I'll put a link in my description box where I got this pillow from. What I do to get started is I take a piece of this plastic template sheet, and I'll put a link in my description box. I draw a 12 by 16 inch shape on that template sheet, and then I cut it out, making sure that I kind of taper in the edges and make the corners rounded, so that way I won't have those funny dog ears. And this template sheet is nice and clear so you can see where you want this to go on your shirt, because I really want to make sure I get this pocket into the front of my pillow. So I want to make sure I have enough seam allowance on that side. So I'm going to bring that over right about there. Then we'll take some chalk and trace around it. Okay, got that traced. And I like to use a rotary cutter because it keeps the edges smoother and it's easier to cut, but you could use scissors, whatever works for you. And when we're cutting through both layers, the front and the back. There we go. And then I find an easier way to bring the back to the front. This is the right side, so I'm just going to fold this down, lift it off, and bring that over. Okay, this is the right side of the shirt. Now the right side of this shirt is on the back, so we just lift it up and then we put right sides to right sides. And I like to flip it over so that when I'm sewing, the button placket doesn't get pushed underneath and sewn wrong. So just line that up, pin it. Okay, we've got it all pinned together. Okay, go to the sewing machine and you're going to start here and just sew all the way around and then meet me back here. Okay, we finished sewing all the way around and now we're just going to unbutton it here in the middle and turn it right side out. Make sure you smooth out each corner. Okay, you've got it turned right side out, and insert your pillow form. And button your buttons back. There. And see the pocket right here? I'll put a handkerchief in there so you can see where the pocket is. One of my ideas is that years ago when my father-in-law passed away, this was his shirt, and I made a huggable memory pillow for my mother-in-law, and this is hers. And he always had a handkerchief, so I took his handkerchiefs. And at the time, I had an embroidery machine. I don't have one anymore. But you could also do this with a Cricut or with rubber stamps or painting or fabric marker, and put what that person used to say, or funny things they used to say, or songs they sang, or just a quote they liked, or whatever is special about that person, that as a memory you could put it on the handkerchief. And for my father-in-law, he always called my mother-in-law para mi reina, which is Spanish for my queen. And so I put that on the handkerchief for her, and I put a little bit of a song that he used to sing all the time. And he used to always say, "Today is my birthday," so everybody would give him a kiss. He was so funny. He was the class clown. And at the end of him telling a story, he would always go, "That's the story." So I put that at the end. And on each person I gave this pillow to, like my husband, I put what his father used to call him, and on his sister, I put what he used to call her. And I just thought that would make a nice little extra gift for somebody as a special memento and memory of that person. You could even just write it in a letter on a piece of paper and stick it in the pocket. Or even little treasures like a pocket watch, or just any little treasure that would remind you of that person and stick it in the pocket. We're all done. Wasn't that quick and easy? Comment below and tell me some of your ideas of what you would put in the pocket or on the handkerchief to make a nice treasured special memory of that person. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a so blessed day. Bye for now.